Yo, hello everyone. Today I want to do some example solves for Megaminx. If you want to follow along, the scrambles are in the description. So this is the first scramble. Looks quite decent because we have these three which are correctly related to each other. So we would start by moving this here, then solve these three and this at the last. And let's search our first pair. I like this one, so I'm gonna do this. So I will start like pairing this up, then moving this to the side, solving these four, solving this last edge, and then inserting this pair. Then I have this pair, which I can solve like this, then here this one, like this, and then I see this, which I can solve like this. This preserves this pair like this and also makes this pair. And then I can solve this pair. And then I will start by solving this pair because it's easier, and then I can insert the cross edge. And so what I'm gonna do is solve the yellow F2L. So I move on with this pair, which is here, like this, and then this edge and this pair. Now before doing the F, I'll solve this edge over here. So I already have one edge for the blue F2L. I have this edge and this corner to make the next pair, like this. And then for the last pair, I can do this and, for example, insert it like this. Then I'll move on to do first this pair, and then I can cycle this edge in like this, and then solve it, and then I can solve the last pair. Then I'll solve this pair and slash this edge in, and then continue with this pair, and then this pair. Then I do a dot OLL and the PLL. Now for the next solve, we have the star edges here, 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 and here. What I'm gonna do is first solve this edge, and remember that this might be a good pair because they are close to each other. Then solve this edge, like this, and then I have the last three over here, which I can solve like this. And now I have this pair, which I remembered, so I can solve it like this, and then I have this. I'm also gonna bring this edge to the side because I know that this edge is solved, this corner, so I can solve it. And then I have this pair and this, so this seems more obvious, but this slot is closer, so I'm gonna do this one first. And then I can do the last one like this. So now I'm gonna do the yellow F2L again, and now I can do a nice move to solve both of these edges, like this. And then I can solve this pair, then this pair, and then this pair. This is a bad one, but I can do it like this. Then I would use this edge as my like star edge, and then I'll solve this pair like this. And now for the last pair, this one. I can do it like this, for example, and then I can move on to make this pair, which I can do like this. So now I have a 3-move pair, and then I have this pair, and now I'll start with this one as my star edge because it's already here. Then I have this 3-move pair, then this F12 pair, and this one. Then I can do the OL and the PLL. So now on to the last solve of the video. Here we have a quite bad star. The star pieces are here and here. So what I'm gonna do is not solve the entire star at first, but just solve a few pieces and also some F12 pieces. For example, I can solve this green edge because it's easy, and this pair. Then I can continue like solving this edge and inserting this pair like this, and now I have the last pieces over here, which is quite nice, like this. And then I can solve this pair, for example, like this, and this pair, and then I have this one, and then this one. Now I can continue with these two edges, but I not do this because then these two pieces are separated. But I can first solve the green one and then this one. Now these two pieces are in a better position, but now I also see these two, and I like to do this side first because I'll continue here. So I'll start here, then solve this pair, and then do this pair. Then I can solve this pair along with this edge like this, which is quite nice, and then this pair, and then this pair along with this edge like this, and then last but not least this pair like this. Then I can solve this square by solving this pair like this, then this pair, and then this one. Then I could do a U2 prime and do the dot case algorithm, but I can also do first look over here, and now there's a small chance that I know the OLL, and this one I know. So I can do it like this. And now I did 2 look OLL instead of 3 look. So now the PL. So note that my solves aren't perfect by any means. So if you have questions or ideas how I can improve also my solves, you can leave that in the comments.